Transform your writing into a thriving community with Substack, the ultimate platform for newsletter creators. Step 1. Launching your Substack is incredibly straightforward. Just visit Substack.com, click Get Started, and choose your publication name and handle. Think of a name that's memorable and reflects your niche. This is your brand identity. Step 2. Crafting compelling content is key. Click New Post and dive into the intuitive editor here. You can format text, add images, and even embed links and videos to make your newsletters visually appealing. Tip: break up your text with headings, bullet points, and relevant visuals. Aim for a consistent tone and voice that resonates with your target audience. Step 3. Engaging your subscribers is a continuous process. Utilize Substack's built-in features to foster interaction. You can enable comments on posts, allowing your readership to connect with you and each other. Consider asking questions at the end of your posts to encourage dialogue and gather feedback. This builds a loyal community. Step 4. Manage your subscribers effectively. Substack provides insights into your audience growth and engagement. You can see who's reading your posts and identify your most loyal readers. Tip: segment your list if you have different types of content or reader interests, though Substack's simple interface focuses on mass distribution initially. Step 5. Optimize your publication for maximum impact. Ensure your Substack homepage is clear, with a strong mission statement and easy navigation to your featured posts. Use a compelling cover image and a concise description to attract new readers. Encourage signups on your social media and website, directing them to your Substack. By consistently delivering valuable content and engaging your audience, you'll build a loyal readership and establish a powerful online presence with Substack.